I am very thankful in today's video that I am partnering with Matace Carpet and showing you some of their dish mats and coffee mats that they have on their website. They do offer many different products, including carpet tiles and area rugs and kitchen mats, but I needed some new dish mats in my house, and this was the perfect opportunity to test them out. These mats are very great. They're very multi-purpose. You can use them under dog food bowls. You can use them under espresso machine or your coffee area. I'm going to be using one underneath my espresso machine and then also as a dish mat. Here I'm just showing you that you guys can really get this wet. The water does not soak through to the bottom at all. If you could see, I poured tons of water on this mat, and then when I lifted it up, there was no moisture on the bottom. So it is quite amazing how absorbent it is without letting water pool on your countertop. And this mat is wonderful. I can wash it off and I can roll it up and store it underneath my kitchen sink when I have guests over. So it does not have to stay out on your countertop. If you saw me, I actually unpackaged it for you guys so that you could see me roll it out and see that it can flatten pretty quick. I have the 16 by 24 size in gray, and there are a lot of colors on their website. I do have two smaller sizes to show you guys in this video, just a little sampling of what their website offers, but there are a ton more options on their website. I actually ended up falling in love with one of the 12 by 19 sizes, and I kind of wish I would have went with that one. I chose gray because I thought it would look best in my kitchen, and then that pattern came and I realized they had just really cute options. However, I do truly love these products, and I would never share anything with you that I didn't truly enjoy. Here are those two other coffee mats. I think this is the 12 by 19 size. They are awesome, and I really do love that gray and white one. It looks so nice on my countertop, and I didn't actually think a pattern would. As you can see, when I lift this mat up, there's a little moisture on the edge because I soaked it and it fell off the edge, but there was no moisture underneath the mat, just on the edge of the mat after I rinsed it off in the sink.